the heck? That's random. Somebody like left me 2 spare tires. That's awesome. Free burners. I wonder who did that. Good way to start the video though. Free burners. That's kind of cool. Go check them out. Goodyear. 225.50. Sweet. I left the light on. Oops. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your host, Mischief Guy. I've been away for a while. I've been working my freaking behind off. Like, a lot. Mowing grass, and I got a full-time job. So I'm starting to bring in more money to where I can start to do E36 truck stuff. This needs to go back on the track next month for sure. I borrowed some bits from Zach. They're extracting. Let's see if we can use one of these maybe later today or tomorrow. We're gonna try to get that bolt out. We're gonna try to extract it with one of these bits. Hopefully it works. But before we do all that, I need to go back up to my house, grab this extension cord, and shop vac out my truck, my girlfriend's car, and probably gonna pressure wash both my truck and her car this evening, or right now actually. To whoever brought the 225/50 ZR17s, thank you. I will use these to burn off. Looks like somebody already was having kind of a little bit of fun with them. You're awesome, thank you. If you watch the channel, I don't know, but thank you again. So yeah, I'm gonna try to keep up a video a week, maybe a little more than that. I don't know. I got a lot that's going on in my life, keeping up with mowing grass and working a full-time job. So I'm not making any promises or anything, but I am gonna try to start putting out a video like once a week. Got to get back on that schedule, trying to balance out this like whole bunch of work and all that stuff and YouTube at the same time, which I'm getting all the work balanced out, whatnot. So what comes into play next is you guys. So I'm gonna keep up with you guys and all the fun. I'm gonna bring back Shenanigans and whatnot with this thing. Try to start hanging out with my friends a little bit and go check out their cars and whatnot. So keep up, keep watching. I appreciate you guys. All the subscribers and everything. I'm up to 315 now. I appreciate you guys. Just keep watching. We'll see you in a little bit. Just do shenanigans all over. Drift spot. Come on, show the marks. Show the skid mark. Drift spot. This is the off-road spot. I think I've got this on camera before. Just up here causing a little bit of mischief, you know what it is. get her a little bit dirty before we wash her. Well, that didn't work out as well as I wanted to. The vegetation here is just too grown up, and now it's like when I run it down, it's just wet and mushy, and like it just spins all this. We're just out here having a little bit of fun. Ain't hurt nobody. This ain't no cornfield or nothing. We're just out here in Mexico. You know what it is. But four-wheel drive will do whatever I want it to. Come up here and dump their trash. People being ignorant. It's not smart. I don't like when people mess with the earth. Try to save this bitch as much as I can. Sorry about the beep. Oh man, I got all these things all over me, these stickers. I hate these things. That's what you get when you live out in the country and do country stuff. That's why I got country boy on my arm. If you guys would do me a favor, go down below, leave a comment, let me know if you guys like this sort of thing. Try to give me some motivation to keep up with my videos and everything. I'm gonna do my best, but yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and a comment. We're back at my house. I got the pressure washer out. Perfect time to wash the truck, eh? Shenanigans are done for a little bit. Let's clean this thing. Not only was I gonna pressure wash her car and my truck, I'm doing the house also. I don't know if I said that or not. Here's all the pressure washing I've been doing. Sorry it's not car stuff, guys, but try to give you a little truck stuff earlier to make it car stuff, automotive, whatnot. But my house is getting clean today. I'm gonna do this next, probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I got a lot of work, but this side's clean. This is clean. Now I've moved on this side right here. I'm gonna finish it up. Well, I ran out of gas. I gotta finish this wall out. So, off to the shop real quick, and then to the gas station. Let's do that. But the house does look a lot better. It's way whiter, for sure. It's cleaner. I'm putting up a pool. We had it last year, and we didn't do anything with it. Had it up for like a week. Didn't clean it, didn't do anything, so we're gonna try it again. We're gonna stick it out front. Let's see what that's like. And possibly get a hot tub in the future. Off to the shop. Since I'm not going to Drifter and Vana tomorrow, I think I'm just gonna stay home, work on my car, and get that bolt out. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, so I'm gonna be able to stick up 2 videos on YouTube, hopefully. Let's see if that works out. Because right now it's like 4 o'clock, and I still have a lot to do. Finish the house, and pressure wash my truck and her car. And she wants to go do some stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna have to cut the video and not work on the diff tonight. We're gonna have to make that another video for tomorrow. But keep watching. Sweet! I don't have to get gas. There's already gas in here. Means I don't have to stop at the gas station. Back to my house. Got the gas. Let's put it in the tank real quick. Tomorrow. Huh? Alrighty then. Her car is clean. Hey, hey. Nice car now. What's that? What is that? Grass. I'm very picky. Well, we're almost done. Now I just have to do the truck and that's it. And then I'm gonna end the video. Might restart another video. I might. I'm not sure yet. But, oh, that's really cool. Look at that white bird out there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. Cool. But like I was saying, I might be doing the diff tonight. I might be starting it tonight. That's the thing. So I'm gonna end this video after we get done with the truck, because I've done a lot of stuff today. So make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. After I'm done with the truck, I'm gonna end the video, and like I said, we're gonna go eat, and then I might start the diff video for the E36. If not tonight, I'll start it tomorrow for you guys, but I wanna get this video up, talked about a little bit of what's going on in my life and why I haven't been filming and whatnot. So yeah, I'm supposed to go to Drift Nirvana tomorrow, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not ready. I got a lot of stuff going on I need to do for myself, so washing the truck. Well, that's full. I'm leaking gas everywhere. The freaking gas line came unplugged. Dylan's grip. Sorry, I can't answer you right now. Sorry, Dylan, I can't answer you right now. I have to get this gas line hooked up again. I just leaked the whole thing of gas out. Not cool. Alright, I'll be back real quick. Dylan, stop calling. So here's my problem. The gas line needs to go back on. Hopefully you guys can see this. Just enough. Alright, let's not leak out any more gas. Whoa! Attempt number 3. Alright, we're about to pressure wash the pool real quick. That's my last task for the day and for this video pretty much. It was not about cars, just about what I was doing. Burn the birdhouse. Gotta be mischievous. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We will be back with another one.